Okay, so now I showed you that I had cooked my bananas. This is my dumpling. Okay, this is boiled plantain. Okay, so I take the skin off, and this is my banana. Okay, so see, I'm taking the skin, taking the banana out the skin. Okay, and it's cooked. Okay, and I throw the skin away. Okay, once again, this is my green banana. Okay, and this is my dumpling, and this is cassava, which is yuca, something in the potato family. And I'm gonna take um, some of my ackee, and as you know, and I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, and that's how you eat it. Once again, this is ackee saltfish with boiled dumpling. Awesome! Oh my goodness. It is so great. You would love to try it. Once again, you can look me up on YouTube, Nina's Cooking or Cooking with Nina. All right. Thank you.